Hi everyone, this is Dr. Finnegan, and the purpose of this video is to talk to you about how your grade is calculated. So if you look at your course outline, you will see a section which tells you what the assignments are and how much each assignment is worth on your course grade. So in my course outline, here's the section. Attendance is worth 15%. I also explain exactly how attendance and course participation is graded. Examinations are worth 35%. Research reviews are worth 20%. And field experience essays are worth 30%. Now, if you really look at it carefully, you will know that there are 3 examinations. And so each examination is worth a third of 35%, which works out to be about 11.67%, just under 12%. Each research review, there are 2 research reviews. Together they are worth 20%, so each one is worth 10%. And then field experience essays are worth 30%, and there are 3 essays, and so each one is worth 10%. So it actually works out that the assignments in my class have pretty similar weighting. So each exam is worth a little bit more, almost 12%. The research reviews on the other papers are worth 10% each. So the weighting is pretty similar. In some courses, you may see that there is an assignment that has a lot more weight. For example, in my course on tutoring, the weighting is like 50% on the tutoring report and 20% on the unit plan. So the single assignment is worth a lot more. Why do we do this? Because we consider those assignments to be a lot more important. They maybe require more time, require more research. And so you should allot the time that you spend on that assignment according to the weighting. So if a course assignment is worth 50%, then 50% of your time should be spent on that course, that particular assignment. Okay, so that's an indication to give you a sense of how much each assignment is worth. The other thing that you're going to notice on the course outline is there are rubrics. So some professors do this and some don't. So sometimes professors actually have a checklist to show you what you'll be graded on. So follow the checklist. Other professors will have a rubric, and other professors will have another type of standard that they will just probably explain to you what's expected. But the rubric is also going to help you understand how your paper is being graded. So for this particular rubric, this is for the research review. You really have to describe the main parts of the article. And if you do that well, you'll get 4 points, right? That's very clear. In order to get 5 points, you need to show an in-depth understanding of the topic. So you probably have to do a little wider reading for this and relate the article to maybe even something you've read in your textbook or even another article you've read. So you can only do that if you have done additional reading. Here, later on, you can see how this is weighted, that you have points for written communication and APA style. So this is very important for this assignment because I actually have more points on the weighting here for APA style. So you should spend time on that and not just kind of dismiss it or overlook it. So I often talk about picking up points on the rubric, and this is what I mean. You really look carefully at the rubric. It's going to show you the difference between 4 and 5 points, and you can pick up a few more points knowing the difference. On another assignment, for example, here's the field experience assignment. What I'm really concerned about here is being able to observe and identify the interactions that were successful and not successful. So there's actually less weighting on APA style for this particular assignment because it's really important that you understand your observations, analyze them, and look at the success and explain the success of the interactions between the teacher and the student. So at the bottom of the rubric, we usually give an indication of how much each point's worth. And for this particular assignment, 30 out of 30 would be 100%. That would give you an A. But 20 points, right? 20 out of 30 is a D. So there were really 10 points between a D and an A, and there's a way you can pick up the different points to make a difference in your grade. So that's what I mean when I say pick up points. Look at the rubric, find out where you can earn extra points, and that will actually make a difference to your overall grade. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your assignment.